So we have to break this chair that we are getting rid of, and so Shane is more than obliged to break it. Do you need help?
Shit. Why are you recording me break it?
Because you asked me if you wanted me to record it. You said sure. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. We can't break it, so Shane is bringing it across the street to the other garbage. Oh, I love you. What are you doing? Why are you putting it in our house? No, we're bringing it across the street. We do not want this.
You're doing the stealth of night.
So we're just going to leave it here half broken?
Yeah. Hey, Bob.
Alright then.